Oh, this way. Oh my god, I almost fucked that up. Oh, okay, it's fine. Everything's fine. Just missed a 5, no biggie. Lose in a second or two. I need to focus up, dude. Almost went to night flight there.
Yo, what's up, gamers? Took down the headphones quite a bit here.
Painful.
We're watching a Spiral 1 any% race right now. We're watching it from Daoman's perspective.
X early, but not early enough. That literally
Because,
guaranteed.
obviously, just because he's using my chat app. So, we're just gonna check it from his POV and yeah, see what's going on there.
Watch me just fail all the Peacekeeper's tricks right now.
I am definitely wondering who's gonna win. It's probably gonna be Laura. I'm actually not sure. A lot of people are racing. There's like 75 plus people in this race, so. And this group hopes to be doing like PlayStation 1 speedrun races every week, so that's pretty cool. What I am continuing to work on, let's get the chat up. Happy Saturday, everyone. Happy weekend. Happy Saturday. Welcome, gamers.
As close as you can get to getting it without getting it.
Today
I'm definitely following
we continue to
It's a shame, man.
implement the login button.
A good rat can bring this back for sure.
Implement auth message
I did
box.
use up all of my good rat karma though by getting 4 in a row in practice, so
It's having
knowing my ass.
a great
Basically, those two
weekend.
Peacekeeper's tricks, I'm already on track to lose, basically.
Cool.
It's so crazy how this category works.
I'll make this a little bit bigger.
But it ain't over till the fat lady shits, my friends.
Even over to the fat lady shits, apparently.
Okay, so since I missed smaller fox, I have to jump across.
So I'm in the process of cycling through updating logs and then like giving GPT the logs because when I go to update shit, like after I sign in with Twitch and before I update with YouTube,
All right, pretty far behind at this point. My guess is that if anyone else like Laura,
Um,
the other top players,
the
hit
the fucking session data is just empty, so it's not
probably about 30 seconds.
saving the session data.
Please don't tell me they did. I'm just gonna assume they did. If they didn't, then I'll let that be a delay.
I refactored into a function that updates the session data instead of having that all in the callback handler, so we're a little bit more modularized now. The functions aren't fucking like a whole page long, which is nice. So we're looking at this update session data for service function. Update session data for service, and that is called in the callback handler. We give it the response writer, the user data, the service, and the session token. And it updates the session or it's supposed to update the session data.
definitely not happy to have missed 2 of them.
But
I would like to only miss 1.
you guessed it. It's absolutely not doing that shit. So let me read this real quick. Session token not being consistently used or managed across the login processes for Twitch and YouTube. When you log in through Twitch and then YouTube, it appears as if a new session token is being generated for each login. Instead of reusing an existing token to update the session data, this behavior results in overriding the previous session data rather than combining the login information from both services. Nope, I didn't want that. Didn't want that. So
there's already like a 30-second deficit there, and we're like barely like a few minutes.
Does this make sense to me?
And I guess you could still say it's like a skill issue, but yeah, I don't know.
So why is it overriding with a new one? It's just generating a new session token instead of using the old one. Okay, so that seems simple enough. We're generating a new one instead of using the old one for some reason.
Maybe I'm gonna get lucky and everybody else missed everything. I don't even realize it. Live in a little fantasy world here.
So what are we gonna do? Ensure that a single session token is maintained across multiple service logins and is used to update the existing session data correctly. Here's what you can do. Make sure the same session token is being used across. I thought this is what it already does, but I'm actually not sure why it doesn't. Adjust to correctly fetch and update the existing data. Why doesn't it do that? What am I updating here? Existing session data JSON. It's reading from Redis when it should be reading from the cookie. Redirecting the user to the OAuth provider. Check if the user already has a valid. So oh, I see.
Who told you that, Toadley?
I see. I understand now. I think I understand.
I'm a dog.
So here, session token, when this is called in callback handler,
Sometimes, sort of. The answer to that is like sort of.
at the end,
It really depends on how practiced I am in any one particular
update.
time. So if I've been playing just Spyro.
Okay, so it's always up.
Yeah, I'm gonna have issues, you know.
That's why. This is why. It's generating a session token, and it's always using a new generated session token to update the session data.
But yeah, I do try to do that sometimes, like accidentally double jump and stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to focusing on this. I hope that answered your left field question there.
So we just simply put this, literally right here. We don't have an R. So now that I see what's happening, let's go. The longest we can pinpoint where we're going wrong.
Very nice movement there.
I don't even really need any of these. Okay, so verified that the problem is
a little sloppy.
Yeah, don't know how long I'm gonna be on. I'll just see what happens. We'll just see what happens. Yeah, I got a lot going on. Kind of sucks.
Like, I'm probably behind.
It's
Like,
okay.
some people right now, but
Yo, you're not supposed to have that. I guess you got a nice little look at my habit tracker that I've been honing for. What's up, MD? Just doing pretty much the same thing as yesterday, almost. We're basically at the part where I have to make sure that the cookie is being used correctly so that these go away once I'm logged in, and then that's it. How is your website coming along? Did you clone the repo and do all the things? Clone the repo, do the things.
Exclamation point multi in the chat if you want to see all the.
Get in there. Good shit, man.
At least some of them.
Ooh, there's a multi-stream. You have a few issues with the images. Like the... What images? Oh, like the pictures. I get you. I get you. I get you. I get you.
You looked into. Oh, thank you. Spoiler alert, Nocturne. Goodness.
He said the first homepage looks pretty good. Oh shit. Michael Deeds, triage analyst. That's pretty fucking nice, man. I like that shit. But do you want to be a triage analyst forever?
Strawberry on credit scoop. Saboom just got a 118.
Studying to be a developer. I enjoy creating unique projects and learning as much as I can. Good shit, dude. You're getting there.
Oh my god, I gotta grab that. It's slow.
Step by step. I'm trying to just get it up and then fix. Yeah, no, yeah, that's the way to go. You get something working, fix it, get it more working, fix it. That's like the whole concept of like Scrum or agile development. Not Scrum, but agile development is you create like user stories. Like I have a user that just wants to boot up the website and look at it for 5 seconds and then go away. So you just make a website that you can just boot up and look at. And then I have a user who wants to do a little bit more. He wants to click on my resume thing and check my resume. So you implement that service and then rinse and repeat. Look at the second page, trying to figure out why the image is grayed out. What image?
Oh my god, come on.
Oh, I see. Yeah, because there's like an overlay.
Pretty sloppy movement here.
Like you need to look at the styles
Welcome.
for the about. Like look at the about component or whatever the about page is in the files. Look at the classes, what they're called. Look at the CSS sheet. Find the classes. You could literally copy the style sheet in the GPT and be like, hey, which one of these is making this like gray opaque background, like gray semi-transparent background or something.
Or maybe I'm just that far behind. That wouldn't surprise me either.
It's gonna be a style on the about page, something like that.
It's all good. I don't need to worry about it.
Something like that.
That's all good. And don't tell me in the chat. Just post a spinning Spyro. Remember, guys, I'm washed up. I'm not gonna win this race. We're going into it with that expectation.
Okay. I'm finding which one of these I want to hijack. Since I know the problem, I can scroll up to where we've been floundering this whole fucking time. And I just want to fix the one function. So I go like this. And do this and go up here. Go all the way up here. This is a really long message. All right. Having issues with login services array persistence in session.
Here comes Suck Soft. True.
Wait, I'll do that. I will do that. But let me get squeeze one or two more messages out of here to see if I can. Because let's say I just copy this. Like, let's say fuck it.
I've never had that fucking wacky of a blowhard ever. That's crazy. Cool way to lose time.
Oh god, what have I done?
That was so fucking dumb. What's up, Alex?
Oh, yeah.
Man, that was some shit. Only on a race.
Wait, didn't this have a problem last time?
Suck soft moment right there for sure.
Didn't this have a problem last time? Wait, I was gonna scroll all the way up and fucking like change a bunch of shit because there was an error earlier. Where the fuck?
I lost my whole lead there on the splits. I mean, man, that was bad.
Where the fwick? Okay, that's fine. Whatever.
But then after that Magic Crafters, it's like, all right, here we go. Another fucking terrible no reset. Here we go. Like. Yeah, that's the way the cookie shits, my friends. We'll see how our gem counts are. Hopefully my gem count's still looking okay. Could be. No way it ate my sparks right there. Holy shit. Cool. Just cool sparksless moment here. Gotta collect all the gems outside that portal, sparksless.
Wait.
3495. We are over gemmed, but At what cost? Strawberry yellow.
Wait, where was the I'm now confused.
Yeah, Jeff Dump in the building.
Well, I'll go ahead and run this again because I have now confused myself. Did you figure out the gray background shit? My dude.
I really am just not trusting anything right now. I'm gonna go a little behind here.
My dude. My fields. My fields. God. Shouldn't have done that.
If you death abuse in a flight level, do you get sparks back? In that particular flight level, I think maybe. But no, generally the answer to that is no. The green.
Okay, I just want to make sure it's the same behavior.
We're both like racing together, like couples race. It's adorable. Okay, whatever, fuck those gems. Okay, so we're gonna get the fucking fodder at the start here, but hopefully I don't fuck up and lose it again. If I go sparkless here, that's real bad.
And yeah, it's gonna be the same behavior, right?
Actually, good frogs there.
Session data. Returning session data. Returning session data. Returning session data. Returning session data.
Is Thrasher playing Japanese? I didn't even know that. That's fucking hilarious. Oh my god, just give me one of them.
Wait, for reals though, why
A lot of missed gems.
was it a
gem now? It's kind of bad. Could have gone for that blue again, but whatever.
am I just like totally fucking crazy?
Dude.
Slowly but surely going to get it. Good shit. Yeah, you'll get faster with like pinpointing little styles and whatever you want to fix. It's so fun making front ends. Nat. That's why I have GPT do it. Oh well. LOL.
I used up all my good karma on the first run today.
Where the fuck is the message that it made that update session data for service and tried to read the cookie first?
What? That flame didn't catch him? Painful. All right, let's go.
Did I hallucinate that whole message, or am like if I press Control Y here? No, press Control Z.
416. Yeah, losing quite a bit of gems there.
Yeah, I guess I'm just tripping balls. Like.
Okay. No, go this way. Grab this and then go in. The camera. This is extremely. I'm kind of disappointed in this run. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm just gonna throw a Hail Mary. We need to check the cookie.
The story of my grind here
Or
this game lately. It's kind of the same
session data.
at the end of my run earlier. Even though it was a 38, it's like, dude, it's like it could just be so much better, you know. And you could just
First in update session data
that's why it hurts, you know.
for
So,
service, right?
That cost me 5 seconds, right? That bonk was like literally I could have bonked anywhere else in the whole game, and it would have been a not as bad time loss. But now we gotta wait for the thief to do his thing now. Of those, just really sloppy.
Yeah, I'm not sure what the fuck is...
And normally if I'm playing sloppy like on a 120 run, it's like, okay, let's just get it together and like make it happen. It's all good.
Because I don't know...
It's just like,
Yeah, I just... Where... I don't... Where was the message that I saw this?
I mean, like at best it'll finish okay.
Maybe it was before I
Bring it back. It's like it's never
redid a message earlier. Had to be it.
Especially in a race.
Had to be it.
But yeah, you don't really get that same luxury of time and hope being on your side.
Oh yay, an email from Microsoft that says we will not be moving forward with your candidacy for the position of technical support engineer.
Congrats to her. What's up, Yuki? Thanks for the good luck. And Matthew.
Well, that's exactly what I wanted to hear. Because I bet $8,000 that I wouldn't get that job, so money in my pocket. I only made a quarter. I only made 25 cents, but you play to win the game, man. You know what I'm saying? Checking the existing session token and the request cookies. Make sure to call this function from the appropriate place in your callback handler, passing the request object R, user data, and the service identifier service. This approach will help manage session data effectively.
Okay on gems. Now I'm like
Will it?
struggling on gems.
Will
See
it?
if we can get the out of bounds here. Go for a few extras if possible. Oh, that should work. Nice. At least I got that.
I don't have a Oh, wait, I do have a contains. I do have a contains here. Son of a bitch, dude. You gotta stop doing this to me, VS Code. You gotta stop doing this to me. Okay, updated those guys.
Stop missing blues. This is gonna be the death of me.
We want to send W
I know they're just gonna grab
R and then user data, right? WR user data service.
Yeah, it's just one race. That'd be cool if it was like first to 5 or something. I'd be down with that
R user data service.
on this particular one.
So
Gamer House, thank you for the good luck, man. To adjust my glasses like super quick there. Yo, Chocobo, thanks for the good luck. There we go. Opera glasses adjustment there. Okay, we want to be at least 5105. I have a feeling we're going to be barely just under that. Okay, 5106. We barely have enough gems right now to not have to do anything really ridiculous in Dreamweavers. I think we got the extra there. That's good. Very good, very good. Okay, good. Laura made it to Guilty Spark. Well, she still has to do flood bumps. I'm already at library.
what the fuck?
Yeah, no, I'm definitely done for. If Laura or Ash are even having remotely okay runs, like, I'm definitely done for here. But hey, it will come down to the rat. Like, even if one of them gets to, like, Nasty's World, like, 30 seconds ahead of me or something, or, like, a minute or whatever, like, there's still the possibility that I get a good rat and they don't. It's unlikely, but, you know.
I'm gonna need a rewrite on callback handler.
Oh, please make that.
Output full modified callback handler.
Okay, don't fall.
because there's just too many errors that I can't clean up, apparently.
Library. Library. Monkey through the wall. Oh, you're talking about in Metalhead. Yeah, that saved like 5 seconds, I want to say. Otherwise, you just go around. It's not like it's not a huge detour, but it does save some time.
Why are you sending in 5 things? You can't just fucking send in 5 things to the function, can you? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you send in 5 things to a 4-parameter function?
An OSSC and an Elgato HD60.
The fuck? The fuck?
Yeah,
Can you do that?
If you want to see more info on that.
Can you fucking do that shit? Because that would be fucking pog. You could just send in 5.
Okay, we want 5, 6, 2, 4.
See, you can't do that shit. Too many aren't. What the fuck are you even doing? What are you?
No, this is bad. Okay, hold up. No, I genuinely need that gem. I can't skip it. God, that was extremely terrible. This jock, dude, what a thing. Please go up. Just give me the single cake, please. Please. Alright, we're good. Had to stick my tongue out for that one.
Within the update session data for service function. Yes, we should. So I don't know why it's outputting the whole callback handler function again, but when it really needs to output the other function.
Shouldn't have gone for the mushroom. Come on, King Game trying to suss me out of these gems. Okay, 5994, we just need this red and this. I almost jumped over it. Okay, let's see if we get a good rat here. Let's see what happens. This is definitely not the nicest
Instead of returning, we want to generate a session token.
Be like a minute faster than this, so this is not like an insane pace or anything. But if we get a good rat, you know, might still be able to 38. Let's see what happens. Pray for me.
We just want to update this to...
Let's fucking go, baby. Give me the 38. Let's fucking go.
Oh shit, he got a first try fucking rat proxy, baby.
Dude, the fucking blessed rats today.
Oh, that's so fucking awesome.
I thought I was gonna miss that too. I was really late on
Pog.
Oh man,
That's so fucking awesome. So he's definitely gonna be like top 3 in the race.
my heart's pumping. Give me the 38.
If he doesn't fuck up. I'm gonna watch the rest of this. Just kick back.
I bet you Laura and Ash are already done right now. I bet you. Even with like a, you know, subpar run, you know, it's still like, you know, second, third try rat. Okay, I'm gonna wait for him to just reach the thing here. Give me the 38, baby. It's gonna be a close one. My heart's fucking racing here, dude.
38-48. Damn, bro. Did he win?
see.
Fourth. Almost as pog as me. No. No.
Toasted Cat got like a low, also a low 38, like a 38 1x or 2x, and I got high 38, 38 4x.
Not as pog as me.
So that's really good. That's exactly, honestly, that's exactly what.
Yeah, he got fourth. That's pretty fucking awesome.
I think I met expectations. I was hoping for like top 5, you know, with a decent run. My run was asked to be.
What's up, A-Rod? Me and MD are just chilling.
I could have been a minute faster for sure.
What are you doing, dog? Just chilling?
So, good shit. I mean, hey, pretty fair.
I'm still working out some kinks in my session storage, cookies, login.
Literally the order that we are in the leaderboards, that's how we finish the race. Laura first, Ash second, Toasted Cat third, me fourth. Like, it's literally the same exact thing as the leaderboard.
Just been weeding out the backyard 3 hours. Fuck yeah. Bet your back feels great. Bet you got that just fresh,
yeah, very good.
that fresh back feeling.
I would say very standard. You know, I wish personally that this run was better. I think I'm capable of, like...
Just that fresh back feel.
I think I'm capable of being a higher tier player than this overall in this game, in this category, but you know, like now for like the 2 weeks of grinding I've done for mostly no reason.
I don't even want to think.
I'm really doing a super hardcore PB grind.
Updates the code at the beginning of the update session function to create session if no cookie. There we go. Just put it in a quick if else.
Oh wait, hold on. How do you put the comment? I forgot how you do it.
Yeah, no, I just want this top part. I just want the top part. Either gets the cookie
I don't know. Whatever. I don't
or generates a session token.
Yeah, I mean, you know,
So generates or uses the cookie.
Cancel my split, but yeah, we got a 38. I think at this point, I think I kind of want to just take my my head out of this game because I'm a little bit like, I'm a little bit in my own head about this game right now because like I'm playing okay, but I'm just not playing as good as I want to, and I'm just like kind of like, I don't know, I'm kind of overthinking. So I think I should switch over to Spyro 2 maybe, or something, or maybe take a break. So yeah, Spyro 2 time. I want to be done with Spyro 1 for today. Like, when I'm ready, I'm gonna come back to any percent sometime in the near future, in the next few days, and we're gonna do a
Set session cookies unused.
Right now, like I did okay, and that's that. GG.
Wait.
Like, you know, I'll say this, like,
If I lay down, I'll pass out. LOL.
I gotta give credit to Toasted,
Nice.
Ash and Laura. They really upped the level of Spyro any percent. Like, it's not just like it's not enough to just get an okay run with a first try rat anymore. That's how it used to be for me, you know. And so I think I'm still like mentally adjusting to how serious of a run it is now to like try to PB and like get a respectable time in. Like, it's getting to a point where like just a one.
We want to use this.
That's like,
If there's no cookie,
good job, but like, you know,
then got the
participation prize there. Like, I need bigger than that. Unfortunately, like.
update session function.
Unfortunately, I have to
Right.
aim higher than that, and it's just a hard pill for me to swallow. I still feel like I'm swallowing that pill of like, they really rose. Ash and Laura and Toasted Cat really rose the bar, and now I'm struggling to meet that bar, and it does kind of hurt for me a little bit, like that. It's like, fuck, man, it's hard for me to be proud of a 38 now, you know. It really is, and I that kind of sucks, but you know, hey, like, it just is what it is. I'm gonna go pee real quick. I'll be right back, and then we're gonna do a Spyro 2 run. Let me change my title and stuff. Yeah, BRB, one sec.
Gotta put W back up in this bitch. Gotta put the W back up in this bitch. And HTTP response runner. Okay, I've modified it so that it uses the cookie. The cookie exists. If the cookie doesn't exist, then it creates a new session and cookie. Oh man, I picked a good day to do the weeding though, cause a little bit cloudy. Cookie Monster in the chat? Where's Cookie Monster? And yeah, thankfully it wasn't too hot. It's still pretty bad, but it's still pretty bad. Cookie Monster up in here. All right, is Cookie Monster gonna work, or is Cookie Monster gonna not eat his cookie? Cookie. Store cookie. Eat cookie. Okay, has cookie been stored? Retrieved existing session token.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we have some new splits that we're running against today.
So now it doesn't work at all. Now it just doesn't fucking work at all. Oh my god. Oh my god, this sucks so fucking much. I'm gonna actually roll back some changes here. I'm gonna roll back and just go back up.
So we got some new
Session check. Just log out button.
Do it. Scan at me. Who's excited for Spyro 2? Let's get it, shall we? And while this intro plays, I'll tell you guys a little bit about the Spyro 1 race that just happened right now. So it was a really big race, like 80 people or something like that joined. It's still going on right now for the people that are getting slower times. Sarah's still grinding it at the moment. But yeah, most of the top players have finished now. It just so happened that the top 4 players on the leaderboards finished in order. So Laura, Ash, Toastcat, and then me in 4th place. And you know, like, I feel okay about it. I feel like, all right, we got a 38, no reset, first try wrap, but the pace was not great. I feel happy that I was able to not choke harder. But at the same time, I'm kind of
Yeah, I'm gonna
down
ditch.
Spyro 1. I've been
I'm pretty
grinding
sure I
for
know
weeks again.
like
And I've
what's
been getting
going
super
on.
I'm at a point where I feel like I need to be shooting a little higher with my paces, and I need to be willing to reset a little bit more. So I'm kind of taking my mind off of that game right now because it's kind of a lot for me to mentally, emotionally process.
Wait, what is this saying though?
But I will continue to grind
Yeah.
Spyro 1 any percent, and like I said, kind of have a little bit more reset-y of an attitude.
How about...
Yo, Hypno, thank you for the raid, man. Welcome, guys. Yeah, we're about to get into a Spyro 2 run. Kind of take my head off of Spyro 1 at the moment. I got a lot of feels and thoughts about it as it all comes about, you know. But you know, GG's on the raid. It was good, great raid.
I think I have a little bit more understanding of what's going on.
Respective spots that I feel like we deserve to be in on the raid. So I think that was really cool to not choke it, you know, or like get like 10th place or anything like that. There was no like crazy.
Let me go ahead.
Expected sort of stuff, and that's good. That's like you love to see it. Synchronize. Thank you for the tier 1. Love you, man. And thank you again for the raid Hypno Shark. If anyone's watching ads, type !YouTube in the chat. Less ads there. But yeah, guys. So yeah, I definitely got a lot of feels swirling around in my head with Spyro 1, but it was a good race. GG's. Glad I did it. Glad we got a first try rat. And we're gonna be
definitely gonna revert
with it, I think, in the coming weeks.
And then update just a couple of functions now that I know what's really going on. Now that I know what's really going on.
Spyro 2 Hundo and that as my heart, you know, desires. So some days I might start with this game, some days I might start with any percent, whichever one I feel like being more hardcore, and then I'll usually just end the day probably with whatever, you know, after I'm sufficiently pissed at, you know, whatever the first game is, you know, then I'll switch over, I think. That's going to be my plan. So yeah, let's get into this Spyro 2 run, and you know, thanks for being here, everybody. I love you all very much. Let's get a good run here, or not, we'll see what happens. I haven't played this game for a few days since my PB, so let's see if we...
Is YouTube still working?
Game, I must say.
Yes, it is. Okay. Sorry, just had to check the chat real quick. How long have I been on? 47 minutes. I'll go to at least an hour. I'm fucking pissed that I haven't been able to get this to work.
142 flat, improved from a 142.15. But I am definitely shooting for 141, 140, and possibly even as a longer term goal, sub 140, because I do think I'm capable of all those times. Just a question of just doing the runs, you know, and getting slightly better as we go.
For helping.
But yeah, I mean, like, I definitely feel like I want to be playing on Laura and Ash's level in Spyro 1. Like, it's kind of embarrassing to me that I'm, like, noticeably, like, a rung below them, you know? I wanna get on their level. I know I can do it, you know? I think that's a lot of where my mixed feelings kind of come from about the whole thing. It's like, dude, I'm not that guy yet. You know?
Let me
be that guy.
go back a few steps here.
You guys feel me?
To before the cookie shit was there.
Ah, pain. No, that's a reset. Let me just practice hitting this real quick. Why? Why is that missing? Yeah, I'm not aiming left enough. That was my problem.
There we go. Then
reset.
okay, so this was where I was at. I need to get back to where it was just
it's just kind of embarrassing to me that I'm just so obviously not at their level yet. It's like, dude, fucking, I know I'm capable of like a top time in any percent, and for me to be like duking it out with Toasted Cat, like, come on, like we need to fucking improve shit here. And shout out to Toasted Cat for getting as good of a PB as he has right now. I'm sure Toasted Cat is feeling probably some similar feelings as well, maybe not, that he could also get like into the top 2, you know, like.
Cool.
But Ash and Laura just really have pushed anything
Okay.
so far, you know, that it's like you cannot have a run that misses like a
Now
percentage
let's
or like the out of bounds in Metalhead or has poor gen management.
just run this. I need to make sure I'm at the point where I can log into either one, but I'm just verifying that it's not storing, like, it's just not being persistent, basically.
To nail that down. They've really pushed the category really far away. And
It's just not being persistent. What are y'all doing the rest of the day?
Mostly focuses on any percent. Ash runs a lot of
My friends?
Ash has a top time in Vortex, has a few flight level, individual level world records.
I'd say I'm gonna do a Mario Kart run, but I really gotta get this message box shit out of the way. Like, for real, friends, I need to get that shit done.
Other stuff too. I mean, she was doing Enter the
For
Dragon
real.
for a while. If you guys have been paying attention to her stream.
For real, friends.
She only plays any percent or something.
For real, friends. Okay, log in. It should log in. Taking it easy, hanging out with the partner and friend later. Oh, nice. Sounds fun.
Yeah, she was playing Sonic 3, I guess.
Sounds fun. Okay, so we're at the point where I'm pretty sure I know what's happening. I have my logs down. And yes, the thing that's happening is,
Come on, dude. Painful.
as you can see, it's not. It's not returning the data that gets saved, basically. It's just returning.
Thanks for helping.
Okay. Anything other than the grind for you? Anabolic in there. Let's see. I may finish some meal prep. Oh, I'm gonna go on a bike ride at 4 p.m. bike ride for 75 minutes. I may finish some meal prep. Definitely gonna code some more. And I believe I'm gonna start my content creation tomorrow or even Monday.
Hopefully still barely sub 310.
Definitely gonna start performing scripts for the content Monday on stream.
It's a good glimmer besides that.
And then the actual content clips will come out starting the next week. So I start performing clips during the week on stream, and then on the weekend I make all of them at once for the week, and then during the next week I'm performing and posting. Yes, so that not the whole streams aren't scripted, but there's gonna be like, if I'm reacting to like an article or something, I'll write like, I'll contribute some relevancy or add some value to the ecosystem by saying something that I've prepared. So yeah. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. Y'all can see like a brand new content creator start to make a website, optimize content and shit.
So it is a little bit bittersweet for me because like I think I am better than that. I think I'm better than fourth, you know, personally.
Hello there.
Now that I'm at this place, what I really want to do is I really want to give GPT, you are the man. The man.
Do I like Spyro 2 any percent? Well, Spyro 2 any
Well,
is basically
hopefully I'm the man someday.
Spyro 2 100%. I am rushing into Ripto to get all of the
I need-
and everything, which is essentially what any percent does. I just go out of my way.
I don't know what I need.
and whatnot.
I just want to make content
Just as a category, Spyro 2
and
I mean, the boss
make some cash, I guess.
rough at times. I mean, when it goes well, it's
I don't know. What else do you really do?
easy to get fucked by things like Gulp Skip, like the Gulp fight itself, by the shitting Glimmer
Okay, I'm just thinking about what my next move is going to be here because
category. Adding on like proxies, you know, like in the homeworld as well. So no, I would never run Spyro 2 any percent if that's what you're asking. Or do I like it? I mean, it's fine, I guess. I don't know.
oh, Chubby's order shipped. Good shit.
I don't have like a strong opinion or anything. I think most speedrunners of Spyro 2 can agree that that Spyro 2 any percent as a category is fucking pretty AIDS. Just because of that, just because it's like the boss rush is already so many random factors and it's such a short run that's like any little precise thing that you fuck up is just like, oh, okay, well you just drop down.
It's not saying session token not found.
To like actually run and grind.
So there is a session token. You're the man, A-Rod. Future president, bro. Presidente.
What were the biggest time losses? Well, I missed
Whatever sort of club we start, you'll be president.
the Dry Canyon jump and Mama Proxy, which
Be president, bro.
seconds on its own. Then I had some sloppy
I think Michael's gonna be like our CFO
probably cost me
because he's in accounting.
seconds, maybe more if you consider gem
So I mean, he's obviously the guy for running the books.
result of that.
I mean, he's the guy, obviously.
So there's at least a minute of time. We'll just say
A
at
B.
least a minute of time.
MD cooks the books. A-Rod is basically CEO.
Which is cool. Just the rest of the run was just overall just kind of sloppy.
I am the I'm like the I'm the content. I'm the talent.
Good to see you, man.
Not the talent, but the you guys are the back end, behind the scenes.
Asses. What up, Goyle? We do like asses in this chat.
It's like
Yeah, technically white bait. I mean, that's kind of what Laura's going for. It's like
you guys are like it's like you guys are the producers of the movie and I'm the actor.
in the realm of like theoretically.
Like you're the producer and director, but I'm the one of the I'm like the actor.
That's kind of still a bit of
HWB Industries, baby.
maybe.
It's like Stark Industries. What do I fucking do? So the problem is, I'm gonna make a new fucking GPT chat. I don't give a shit. I'm just here to ask questions.
Well, thank you, Stale Rice. I just fucked up that skip right there. Sometimes, I mean, it's just kind of a coin toss whether you get clipped out of bounds or back.
I have these two files that are used to handle. Well, I have this file.
I'll keep it going for now.
Let's say
Don't forget, I do have 40 seconds to save in Crystal Glacier, which is towards the end of the run, but you know.
my front end
So as long as I'm less than plus 40, like this run can't
logs calls to the
or even like around a minute behind, it's like definitely doable.
check session route.
To this fight.
Check session routes. It seems that
Barely hit. Maybe I could have ran around to the
This
other bar.
route is called the latest login details. Our outputs, not the expected accumulation of login services. This means that, so it obviously means that session check handler
Got there. Barrel. Good. I got lucky with that. I almost hit it too early there. Barrel.
like I'm not getting either of these. So returning session data.
Oh, I almost fucking hit it, dude. God, that was a close one. That one hurt.
So yeah. This means session check handler is fine.
I'm just gonna hit this.
This means that
Hold on.
session check handler
Just enough to make
is probably fine.
Just give me a double, and then we'll see what happens. See how bad that
Functions that
What do we have? Nothing? Oh, of course. Of course, I barely can't reach it in time. Yeah, that sounds right. That's what I get for being ballsy with the bomb there. I'm just kind of blindly going for it. It's honestly my fault for not assessing the situation. This is just a really bad goal. Yeah. I'm really tempted to reset. I'll just-
check that every once in a while.
I really want to. If things go badly in Dragon Shores, I'll reset.
Oh
Fucking
man.
absolutely game right now. This goal hates me, baby.
This means the section check handler is probably fine, but not the functions that like which function specifically is fucking up here.
I'm gonna get like a really good run to like today is just kind of a no resetty day, like after the race and everything. So I really don't feel like being Mr. Hardcore at the moment. Since I'm kind of dealing with like
The one that's probably fucking up is
So we'll see where my heart takes me here, but I might reset this. We'll see. By the way, Mick Aggie, thank you for the resub earlier. I just saw that. Love you, Mick Aggie. Terrible. It's probably gonna be like a million.
declaration. Oh, I see.
Here we fucking go, everybody. I'm just gonna, this is gonna be a reset, I think. Because yeah, this is gonna take way too many tries for this to be legit. But I just need to practice this right now. There we go. Let me just keep practicing that. What's up, Matt Bro? So, I feel great now that you're here. I love speedrunning. It doesn't make me feel bad at all. What about you? Here we go, nice. I might even grab a little.
Hopefully I can get a little bit of information out of GPT right now, and then I'll cut stream. I'll fuck around for a little bit. I'll do another couple hours of this. I'll do a bike ride. Do another couple hours of this. Hopefully by then I have something done.
If you were in the race, I don't know if you were. Yeah, I move in my
Time. What is called? The expected accumulation.
You got 40th sub 1 hour. Congrats. Is having the mic in front of my face annoying? No, probably. I'm guessing it is. For
It's
you.
outputting.
It's not like obscuring my view of the screen or anything. It might look a little silly to you on the camera, but like, here's the alternative: is that I just keep it down here, like out of view. I guess I could.
It seems to be outputting the latest
like that's the
login session data.
So yeah, I mean, I'm just used to having it closer to me. I feel like it's easier to, if I'm talking quietly, like I don't have to, because right now with it like being this far away, I feel like I can't talk quietly. I have to talk like loudly for you guys to hear me. There's no difference. Damn. I guess there's no difference.
This means it's not saving. Is it not saving the cookie, right?
There is. God damn, I'm fucking sucking at this shit. But yeah, I'll acknowledge it probably looks goofy having this giant mic in front of me while I'm playing, but like it doesn't bother me. Like I said, it's not obscuring my sight of the game or anything. What is annoying though is what you probably don't even think about is lights. Like most streams that you see,
this means the update session function
that shit kind of bothers me over time.
Isn't using a session token from the cookie if it exists.
That's why I use just natural light now at the cost of like having shadows and whatever, like whatever.
To get existing.
Yeah, no sound discussion here.
Add to.
I could try to put the mic off screen. It would
Can you fix this?
For aesthetic purposes, so that it doesn't show on camera. That would be the only reason I would move the mic away. I don't mind it being close to me at all. I actually quite like it close to me. I don't know why. Like I said, I feel like I could like talk more quietly into it. I cannot do this trick, man.
To retrieve and append to the existing session data, we need to adjust the logic in your handlers. So I need to modify callback handler and then refine. So I just need to modify callback handler and update session data for service. I see.
Just click for some reason. I don't know why. It just randomly starts clicking. Not anymore. Just unclicked.
Yep. Cool. Set the cookie value here, not later. Okay, I'm gonna run this change. If it works, I'm gonna fucking absolutely pog out of my gourd. Like you're gonna actually see my brain leave my skull. I'm gonna pag so hard. If it doesn't work, then I'll just hang out for a little bit and we'll end stream and take a little break, obviously, and hit it again in a little bit. A little break. I don't know if I'll stream again, though. I don't know. Probably not. Probably go goblin mode. I'll probably go goblin mode.
That's what you meant. Okay. In Spiral 1, my goal time is 37:30, like
Okay.
mid 37.
Session check failed.
Spiral 2, my goal time is sub at 140. But of course, if I get even like remotely close to those times and still PB, I'll
What are we doing here? What are we doing?
Like long-term goal times, I guess.
So Okay, no change in behavior so far. Now we click this, and I already can see that it fucks up.
Dude, why can't I do
Can
this?
already see that it fucks up.
Thank you for the good luck, Jack.
Yeah.
Oh, this is killing me.
Wait. Okay, we at least have some fucking progress. And I think I know where the rest of the progress needs to be made. It's fucking up here. It's getting .service when it needs to be getting .services. Now, I'm gonna re-roll this. And it should fucking motherfucking work. Pardon my fucking French. Motherfuckers. Gonna do me like this? All I had to do, see, it's always such a little, but I think this is what people do, right?
No, I'm not playing Spyro 3.
This is what people do in coding. You have problems and you take hours and you fix like what? How many lines did I really change? How many lines did I really change to fix the problem just now? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like less than 8 lines of code to actually potentially actually fix the problem that I've been having this whole time.
I'll let you guys enjoy the
See, these aren't, it's not using the cookie off the bat, which kind of pisses me off, but oh wait, no, it's because I'm re-rolling the container.
I'm gonna do more runs.
So it's obviously not going to have a cookie. Fucker. It doesn't get rid of the fucking... It doesn't get rid of the fucking icon. Oh, it doesn't get rid of the fucking icon. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Now we at least have Twitch and YouTube. Now, why didn't that change work? Let's see. If session data dot service. I'm sending it services logged in. Can I just put some fucking jank ass shit in here? Some jank ass shit. I'm gonna re-roll this and then I will be ending stream and taking a break, because at this point I am just throwing my dick at the wall to see if it sticks. If I'm sending it, this should be logged in service says. But if I'm sending it, you know... Oh, this is going to be fucked too, because this is just going to be contains. Oh, no. It should be fine. No. I want to say the magic word. All right, fucking get rid of it. No. No. At this point, I'll have to put a log in the update UI. I'll have to put a log here of some sort. It's very weird that pressing tab. Oh, tab moves focus. What is this? Okay, yeah. There we go. Add logging here.
I got my water. 1 sec.
Services def contains correct stuff. Sweet. All right, guys, I'm gonna definitely peace the fuck out of here for the day. Been streaming for an hour and 15.
Will eat carrots raw.
MD, thanks for sticking around. A-Rod, thanks for sticking around. We are getting closer every single day to actual content that is entertaining and real that you can talk about with your friends.
You may not realize this, but
Instead of
it is possible. You can eat a potato raw. And that's-
instead of hey, how do I like literally like every single sentence? Like how do I like literally how, you know, an actual machine instead of a
Nice. Nasty.
chatter, instead of a chatter.
I'm gonna try another run or two. I'm feeling like
My brain is
I'm feeling
cooked.
A little spent right now. I may or may not actually finish a run here.
Well,
Um,
I hope y'all have a great rest of your day.
being honest, you know, I feel like I'm
gonna peace out.
right now playing this. I really
I'm gonna
feel like
peace
I'll
out.
come back to this tomorrow, like, more strong, more fresh, more.
I'll catch you guys on the flippity flip.
Because right now I just feel like I just feel spent after all that 80% and everything.
I guarantee by the end of tomorrow we will have
I'll give it another shot.
this message box
I'll give it
finished,
another
people.
shot if I must.
This message box will be finished by the end of tomorrow.
Things aren't looking good.
Monday stream, we start content.
Being like a minute behind, then I'll probably call it.
Next Monday, the new content starts dropping, and that's it.
See if things go good here.
Again, thanks for hanging out. Deuces, people. I will catch you on the flippity flip. You guys remember this?
She did it. GG. Tell her I said GG.